Alright guys, so you read the title, and this video is pretty cool because we do have one ender in these customer roles, and it's pretty good ender. It's on this side. It's this one right here. Guess what we have, guys? King George ender. I don't know if you can see that, but it's an old Canadian ender. There you go. And it's 1949 is the date, so it's going to be a King George. I'll do this roll last. We're going to go through these and see if we have any Wheaties or anything interesting. I already have some coin finds from earlier. Alright, so I see some copper. I see a lot of new ones, too. I think we found a 1960 small date, so we're going to keep that. Right, I'm going to move things around a little bit. Alright, second roll. Let's see what we can find. Here, see more new ones in this roll.
I meant to, I totally forgot. I started looking to see if there was any friends in the bathroom and forgot. I did check it, and by the time I realized.
Alright, nothing there.
And it's one of those things you can't, when you try to turn off the water, it just turns it back on. Yeah. So we end up leaving with.
I got. Alright guys, with the wrap up, so we didn't get any Wheaties, but we did get a really good find right here. It was the one on the end, the King George, and I'll show all this stuff. So anyway, we got seven 2009s, which is quite a bit, for this many rolls. So we got 3 of the professional life and 4 of the formative years ones. So set those aside. Then we got 5 estimate marks. We got 2 of them are 69S's. One of them's a 1970S. It was not the small date. I checked. And the 69S's are not doubled. And then we found a 71S and a 68S. So, alright. So we got those. And then we got some coins in nicer condition. We got this 1973D, nice condition one. And then this one's a 1977. I might just throw that back in there. I think I will. But these 2 are pretty nice. This one is a 1973D. And then this one I found was in perfect shape. 1971. And it's just amazing. I love the detail. I love how beautiful it looks. So I'll keep those 2. And then we got 2 1960D small dates. I do enjoy those. I do like collecting those. I do love errors in general. But there you go. I kept these. And then the 2 Canadians of the rolls. So we got 2 Canadians. This one is a 1973 Canadian. It's in pretty dirty shape, but I kept it. And then the star of this, is the King George Canadian penny. And I'm going to go back to Wells Fargo today to get some more pennies and see if it was indeed a collection that was dumped. But there were no Wheaties, so they must have kept the Wheaties or, just something like that. But we did get a King George, 1949. It was on the end, and I think it's a pretty amazing coin. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to subscribe to both my channels, Creative Andrew Collects and Andrew Second Life. Just a reminder, reminder, I'm going to be doing school next week, so the videos that you'll be seeing might not be up to par, and there might not be as many. At least one video for each channel a week. That will probably be the least of what I'll be doing. But anyway, subscribe to both my channels. Also turn on the notification bell to be inspired to collect. You can also like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Then go creative collectors. Peace.